In this procedure, we will be replacing a full exit latch on a Lippert window. The tool required for this procedure is a Phillips head screwdriver. First, locate the full exit latch on the window from the inside of the unit. Position latch so it is attached to the vent but not locked down so mounting screws are visible. Next, remove the two screws attaching the full exit latch to the window and remove. Install the new full exit latch to the window with the two screws. This completes the procedure on replacing a full exit latch on a Lippert window.